Hello and welcome to Ms. Cooper's art class. Today I'm getting into some of my crochet basics and I'm going to be showing you how to tie a slip knot. Whenever you start a crochet project, you always want to have a loop already on your hook, ready to go for when you start chaining. But when you're chaining, let's say you're moving along through your work and you do something that you're not so sure about. So let's say you've gotten in there and you realize, you know what, I don't know if I like this yarn color. Well, a slip knot allows you to pull your yarn out and get rid of your knot with no knot bead in there. If you were to just tie a knot around your hook, what's going to happen is you're still able to do chaining and things like that. It'll still work, but what's going to happen is when you pull that out, you're going to end up with a knot still left over in your yarn. You'll have to cut that off, and I don't like having those little scraps sitting around. So I like to tie a slip knot. To tie a slip knot, what I do if you want a nice long tail is I kind of make some bunny ears or a peace sign. And you take your yarn and you wrap it around your fingers. And I take my left thumb and I hold it in place. So I have a nice X shape. Your next step, once you have that letter X, is to take your crochet hook and you're going to weave it under this top left part. You're going to use that hook to your advantage. You're going to pull that bottom loop. And it's okay if this loosens up, because what you're going to do is you're going to scoop up that bottom loop and pull it off your fingers. Now, this might not look like anything yet, but if you take your thumb and the rest of your fingers and you start pulling, you can see a knot form. And then all you have to do is cinch that knot nice and tight. Well, not tight, maybe snug is a better word, around your hook. This allows it to move up and down, and you can still undo it if you need to. So I'll show you again a little faster. Pull that around, go under, use that hook to pull the inside of that X, and then just start tightening it onto your hook. And you are all good to go. To make it a little tighter, I often just wrap it around one finger. I like this better because I don't like having as much of a tail when I'm crocheting. Now I have this nice snug knot that can move up and down, and I am ready to go. Thank you so much for checking this out. Stay tuned for a couple future crochet basics videos so you can actually start building up a project. Like if this was helpful, comment any questions, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.